welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to automate data entry in Airtable. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you want to automate data entry in Airtable, all you can do is simply go log in into your Airtable. Now, automating data entry in Airtable can be accomplished through various methods, primarily utilizing Airtable's built-in automation and integration with external tools. You can use triggers when record matches conditions. You can then you can submit your forms, and you can simply have your triggers at scheduled time as well. You can also have an action after a trigger. You need to define an action to be performed, such as create a record, update a record, find records, or send notifications. You can have forms for data collection. Like Airtable provides you forms in a user-friendly way, and you can share these forms publicly or embeddedly, and you can use integration with external tools like Cypher or Anything. So this way you can simply automate data entry in Airtable. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.